everybody, and I'm making a video of my Hunted Discovery fan. It broke down, so yeah, I can't use it anymore, and it is very wobbly. I don't know why, but I really do like it. I mean, I didn't mean like why. Like, I didn't know why, but I really like it. I mean, like, I don't know why, because it's broken. Here's all that, oh crap, is because I thought that you guys might have think that I don't like it, but I do like it. Yes, I did get it a long time ago. The only thing that works is the light. There's the top of the motor housing here. Guys, actually let me scoot my chair up so I can show you the top of the motor housing. No, I've never seen the top in my whole entire life. Oh shoot, but it does have the Hunter badge. Yeah, well, there it is. I think it's nice. And yeah, I'll be making more fan videos. Thank you guys a lot for watching. Bye everybody.